So next inhale, plant your palms down to the mat. Reach your gaze forwards, keeping the toes tucked. We're moving to our plank pose. Pressing once again into your hands to lift the shoulders up and out. Inhale here as you exhale, send the hips all the way back, downward facing dog. Then you can maybe walk out the feet or sway the hips from side to side. Anything that feels good here in your downward dog. Warming up the back of the legs, the soles of the feet. We're really pressing into the fingertips, send the hips all the way back. Take one more round of breath. And then as you next inhale, lift your gaze. Right foot steps in between the two hands. We drop the left knee, untucking the left toes. We lift it all the way up. Our arms are reaching up nice and tall, nice and long, dropping into the hips. See how much you can feel that stretch